Here we have a 73 plate BMW M135I XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with £3,000 worth of extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M135i Pro package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the Misano blue metallic paintwork, which really does stand out. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and front splitter. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle. So as we come round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have colour-coded door handles. We then have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae along with the rear spoiler, sitting nice and aggressive just there. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the back you then find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, M135i badging on the right. And back round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now taking a look at the interior quickly. So side of the back first you'll find we have the cloth seats. We do have the fixed ISO points back here, the M Sport style seat belts as you can see just there. On the doors we have the brush metal handles and electric windows. Taking a look at the front you'll find the same cloth seats, both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Let's take a seat inside. As it is raining, you'll then find we have the Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the ambient lighting running across the doors. We have the electric windows and electric mirrors. Automatic lights just down here. We then have the automatic wipers on that stalk. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. You can see we have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer here on the left, phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right, and paddle shifters as well either side. High beam assist on this stalk just here. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights. We also have the main entertainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on here you would have seen on the photos, but if we go through some of them, we do have the buttons just down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options here on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Onto the apps, you'll find we have plenty of apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. Go over to the left and you'll also find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You then have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there you'll find the vents along with the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning and the heated seat buttons as well either side. Some more storage space just down here with the cup holders. We have the automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. You'll find Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Putting the car into reverse you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button, and finally the armrest just here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.